To one more tutorial about semantic backup exec 2015. In this tutorial I will be teaching how to create your first backup job under semantic backup exec. This is a test environment, okay, where we have Windows 2008 R2 with Service Pack 1 with semantic backup exec 2015 trial version I'm running. So to create a backup, okay, I'll click on backup and storage tab here, okay, and below we have so many tabs here, okay, sub options. So I'm creating a backup here. Just click on backup, and here we have backup to disk, and then convert to virtual machine, backup to disk, and simultaneously convert to virtual machine, create a new backup using the settings of an existing backup. The option is grayed out because we don't have any backup configured currently. This is a new test environment. So I click on backup to disk. So we should see a new pop-up window. Uh, yeah, it's still coming up. Okay, so this is a new pop-up window. Okay, where first I'll be by default it will be showing with the server name. Okay, so with followed by backup 00001. So I will remove all that and I'll just name it as a test backup, or my first backup job. Okay, and I'll copy the same thing under description. Okay, now what you want to backup? So if the C drive, system state, and the reason why it's showing Microsoft SQL Server instance, because this is a semantic backup exec server, and we already seen under the services tutorial we have a SQL instance installed on this server by default. So I don't want to backup complete C drive. Okay, probably I want to just back up a folder under C drive. So I'll just uncheck and expand the local C drive. Yeah, this is the first time, so it will take yeah, I don't want all these things. Okay, I just want to back up probably yeah, my test folder. That's it. As of now currently there is nothing. Click on OK, and it's showing as you're not selected. So I can also, but whenever you're configuring, also test your credentials once, okay, to ensure that you're not facing any authentication issues when the backup runs. So yeah, it says uh, test all. So let's say it's using a system login account is nothing but the local admin account. Depending upon the number of resources, the test will take maybe a minute, maybe more than that sometimes. So you can see currently the server level authentication is successful, the local C drive level is successful, so that is what we're looking here. So click on OK. So I'm good to go now. So now we configured the source part, but the backup content. Now the next one is where you want to back up all this content, that is the destination. So the destination here, the options what we have is the disk, the local storage, which is like backup to disk, or a disk storage, or a tape drive, or a tape library, or to any UNC path. But currently we only configured a disk-based storage. Okay, so and now here it also asking for what kind of backup you want. Is a full backup, an incremental, how exactly? So this is very convenient way where you can configure, okay, I want every week on Friday full, and from the remaining is an incremental. Okay, and the default time is 11 p.m. Yeah, so if I want, I'll just click on edit and I'll modify it. I don't want to run. Okay, I don't want to run. I just want to. Actually, I don't want to run. So what should I do? I mean, so it's Friday, okay? And all right, let's see. So this is how it is. Okay. So here, there is a you see there is a storage option. By default, it's selected any storage option, which I don't want. Okay, so click on edit backups. Okay, click on edit the template here. So I don't want. Click on see here. Click on it. I see there are a lot of options here. Okay, so we need to concentrate more here. So the schedule part, it's running every 5 day full and incremental every day. If I click on storage here, okay, so I don't want to use any storage here. Okay, I want to use my storage that I already created. Remember, it's a disk storage 001. Okay, and yes, so this is the one. And here you can mention the retention keep for 2 weeks. So I just want to make it as 1 day because this is a test environment and I want to keep my storage space free every time. I'm not using any encryption or compression here, so that should be fine. And the network, any available networks, notification. I can configure notification, my email address or a customer email address. When the backup completes, it will just send an email notification to that particular user saying that hey, the backup is successful. And the test run is nothing but see, I can run a test run before actually the actual backup job triggers, just to check whether my source resources are available or not, or my storage resources are available or not, my network is available or not. So these it will check these parameters. Okay, and the verify at the end of the job, yeah, I need to ensure that yeah, the all my backed up contents are healthy or not. So it is always recommended to schedule a verify job to ensure that we have healthy resources backed up. So these are all the basic things that you have to uh, concentrate. And if you want any exclusions like CTEMP or your antivirus, something you can exclude here. And click on OK here to go to the next step. Okay, so my first job is created now. Okay, if I click on here job monitor, let's say it shows or not. Yes, this is my job, my first backup. If I click on, if we go back to the backup calendar, let's see, it should show my, see, it is scheduled every day. All right, so this is how it will be updated everywhere. I go back here, backup and restore. See, it's showing a nice calendar, Monday to Friday. Okay, currently we don't have anything. Okay, now quickly I'll go back here. What I'll do is I'll add a couple of files under my test folder. Okay, so I've just created a couple of files here. We have four, yeah, very less, but that should be enough. So click on and so I'm running a backup here. Okay, click on job monitor. See, it says running, initializing, queued up. discovering resources. It's a very small job, so yeah, it should get completed within no time. It's processing. See, it's showing as running backup now, successful. I said, yeah, it will, because yeah, it's a very small backup, and you can see the byte count is less than 8 KB. Okay, so I'll just double click on it. It should bring up the job log for us. So this is my first backup full. Job information, it's showing the server name, the job name, the started time, the backup. We have media information where the destination and the media label, and the job operation is a backup, obviously. And yeah, we also mentioned to verify the content. Okay, so it will just verify what exactly we backed up. All right, so what else we want to know? What exactly it did backed up? So let's see. It should give us the backup set summary here. Okay, so there are just two files and two directories. Okay, so this is where you need to find whether actual content is backed up or not under the job. So this is how you will verify the job log. Okay, and there are different uh, like job information, device and media information, job operation verified, job completion status, job history. So this is how it looks like. Pretty much clear and straight information here. So this is how you will find which tape it used for your backup job. Okay, and how much byte count it is, how many directories it is there, how many failed, how many corrupt files, skipped files. So this is where you only find that information. Okay, so this ends up our one more tutorial about how to run your first backup job under semantic backup exec 2015. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. uh, I'll be showing up the advanced troubleshooting also in coming videos. Have a nice day. Bye for now.